What if your next everyday watch was inspired by mountain climbers from 1959? Would you trust this watch on a hike, at work, and at a wedding all in 1 week? What makes this Alpinist stand out with just 38mm dial? Is it too small or just right? Is 38mm the new sweet spot for everyday watches? And would you pay $750 for a Swiss style build without the Swiss price tag? Let's find out. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. I'm your host Mohit, your go-to guide to cool watches that don't cost an arm and a leg. Today we are reviewing the Seiko SPB241J1, the 1959 Alpinist Revival. I'll walk you through every detail from case to clasp, pros to cons, plus how it compares to other watches in the same price category. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more wristworthy content. Seiko started in 1881 in Tokyo. They launched the original Alpinist in 1959 for Japanese mountain climbers. It was sturdy, readable, and purposeful. Over the decades, Seiko became a respected powerhouse, pioneers in quads, spring drive, and now heritage mechanicals. Seiko's Prospects line isn't just a label, it's a short for professional specifications. Originally created for divers and explorers, the Prospects badge is Seiko's seal of toughness. These watches are built to take a hit and keep ticking, whether it's in the ocean or the outdoors. Back then, watches had to be dependable as no GPS, no backup, and no fancy technology. The original L'Oreal Alpinist was simple, rugged, and easy to read, and it carved out its own little niche in Seiko's legacy. Fast forward to today, the modern Alpinist line pays tribute to the same rugged spirit. You still get the same legibility, build quality, and now modern perks like sapphire glass, screw-down crown, and upgraded movement. Over time, the Alpinist has become a cult favorite. From the beloved green dial SAR-B017 to this SPB241J1, collectors love how it blends ruggedness with the dressy touches. Seiko's global reputation is very solid. They are known for their rugged quality, strong values, and dependable in-house calibers. For watch lovers, Prospects is that sweet spot which is built tough, priced fair, and trusted to perform. This one is nicely wearable. The dial size is 38mm, which will go with any wrist above 6 inches. The watch is 12.9mm thick and 46.2mm lug to lug. Very comfortable and unobtrusive. Lug width is 19mm. It's not very standard lug size, but there are plenty of aftermarket strap options available. The watch is officially priced at 75,000 Indian rupees or $750. I got this watch from a Seiko authorized dealer here in India. On Amazon.com, the watch prices varies by seller and the time of the year, but these days it's typically around $600 to $650, with the lowest observed price being $560. If white isn't your color, the watch also comes in gray and blue color. And there was a special edition SPB259J1, which is already out of stock everywhere. And to tell you the truth, that was my first preference. Look at this beautiful dial. Whether you go subtle or bold, each version keeps that unmistakable Alpinist soul intact. The case is crafted from stainless steel and features a polished top surface and brushed sides. Well-defined edges adds a touch of refinement. The watch has got clean bezel. The curved sapphire crystal with inner anti-reflective coating is protecting the dial. Screw-down crown is at 3 o'clock position, and see-through screw-down case back shows the intricate movement 6R35. The bracelet is made up of stainless steel and has got solid links. It's a 3-link steel bracelet with brushed finish and polished accents. The clasp is 3-fold push buttons with 2 micro adjustment holes. The end links are solid and has no rattle. Beneath the case back is Seiko's 6R35 automatic movement. It's built entirely in-house by Seiko. Now what's so special about 6R35? First off, you get a massive 70-hour power reserve. That means you can take it off Friday night, come back to it Monday morning, and it'll still be ticking. It's visible through the see-through case back, which is a nice touch for folks who like to admire the mechanics. Accuracy-wise, Seiko rates it between plus 25 to minus 15 seconds a day, though you will get better performance once the movement settles in. The watch has got cream-colored sunburst dial. It's what makes this watch truly unforgettable. It's not your usual plain white. It's like aged paper in perfect condition. The sunburst texture catches light beautifully, shifting tones depending on angle. Under direct sunlight, it almost glows. You have got bold applied Baton indices raised, polished, and neatly aligned. The Dauphine-style hands and indices are filled with Seiko's signature Lumibright. It's sufficiently bright and has long-lasting glow. The second hand is clean, thin arrow shaped with a contrasting rose gold tone, very subtle but sharp. The framed date window sits at 3 o'clock position. Nothing fancy, but functional and unobtrusive. What makes it work so well is the clean layout. There is a breathing room, no unnecessary text cluttering the dial. Overall, the dial still has that vintage charm with modern finishing. It feels like it belongs on your wrist, whether you are in office or on a trail. Here are some lume shots for you. And here are the pros and cons. Now that we have seen the specs and details up close, let's talk about what it actually feels like to wear the Alpinist. And let's find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. Let me tell you, it has got that rare blend of purpose and polish. On the wrist, the 38mm size feels spot on. Not too big, not too dainty. Just right for most wrist sizes. There is a real sense of solidity here. You feel the weight. It's not heavy, but reassuring. Like it's built for something more than just desk duty. The finishing is thoughtful, brushed in the right places, and polished where it counts. No sharp corners or rough edges. It doesn't scream for attention but still catches the eye with its refined looks. It's kind of a watch that doesn't try too hard. You can dress it up with a leather strap or keep it casual with the stock bracelet. It's comfortable, reliable, and versatile without ever feeling boring. And that's where Seiko really wins. You are getting a watch that feels far more premium than the price tag suggests. My only minor gripe is the absence of a quick release bracelet. It would have been a fantastic addition to this watch. It's built with real attention to detail, powered by a workhorse movement, and designed with a vintage sole that doesn't feel outdated. That creamy white dial brings quite a character. While the compact 38mm size makes it incredibly wearable across all wrist sizes, add in the 70-hour power reserve, sapphire crystal, and 200-meter water resistance, and you've got yourself a rugged daily companion that doesn't scream but still gets noticed by those who know. Could the bracelet be better? Sure. Could the price have been a little more aggressive? Maybe. But when you look at the full package, the watch gives you a lot of mechanical substance and visual charm without stepping into the Swiss priced category. It's the kind of a watch you grow attached to, not just for what it does, but for how it feels. It's reliable, grounded, and quietly confident. In conclusion, if you are someone who's been eyeing the Alpinist line but didn't want the bulk or compass bezel, the SPB241J1 is the one to get. It simplifies the formula, trims the fat, and leaves you with a clean, classic, field dress hybrid that just works. It's not just about specs, it's about how it fits into your day-to-day life. And for around $750, it's hard to find something that feels this complete. And if you ask me, it's not just wrist-worthy, it's a keeper-worthy. So what do you guys think of the Seiko Prospex Alpinist? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching the video till the end. If this video has helped you in deciding for Seiko watches as the next watch, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wrist-worthy content. That's all for now. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.